Hey guys, welcome back to General Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with another quick video that I'll be just showing you the updated version of the Kuro no Kiseki English patch for the PC. We've updated a few more things. You can simply read the change log, but basically the first one I gave you covered the 27th and the 28th. This covers the 29th to the 31st, early 31st, so there are some extra things being added in. But simply what you'll do is, once again, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to simply download. You're going to click on English patch. You're simply going to copy this information right here. You're going to go to wherever you have Kuro no Kiseki installed, and you're simply going to hit paste. That's it. Now I'm actually going to show you a bit more of the update in game, so I'll see you guys in a bit. But if you guys want to know the full extent, you just read the change log. See you guys in a bit. And here we are back in game now. Unfortunately, as you can see, the mission objective still is in Japanese, but mainly what this does is it did more for the menu screens, which makes this actually a lot more playable if the menu screens are in English. You can actually see everything now, which is quite nice. There are a few things that are still in Japanese, but it definitely will benefit you, trust me, in how you would like to play the game. There's a lot more stuff you can see now and change around. This helps out a lot. But like I said, I'm just going to just read the changelog for everything that you guys want to see. Even the menu screen at the beginning where it says continue the story and stuff like that has been translated to English, which is quite nice, to be honest with you. But there are some quality of life things here that will help you out in the long run. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. There's a lot of work that these people be doing, man. I'll see you guys next.